At the beginning of March, EdYou FM, the Ministry of Education's radio station, launched EdCafe. EdCafe is a concept developed by EdYou FM to promote the programs and operations of the radio station along with the EdPal app while fostering team spirit. Proceeds raised from this venture were used to purchase equipment for the Agricultural Science Department of the Tutorial High School. This donation supports the Ministry of Education's vision to instill a strong sense of volunteerism among students and to ensure they leave school with a skill.
On behalf of the head teacher, the agricultural department, and the students of Tutorial High School, I would like to extend our gratitude to you and EdYou FM for this timely donation of tools and materials for the agricultural science. This will definitely help us in our practical activities to help us improve in production of crops and broilers. I would like to assure you that we will take great care of these materials and equipment so that they will be in use for many years. Once again, thank you, thank you.
I would like to join the students and thank EdYou FM for this very timely contribution or donation towards the Agricultural Science Department, especially the long boots. They're much needed. Our boys, with bigger feet, we always have issues getting long boots to them. So once again, thank you very much, and I would like to assure you that I will ensure that our students take good care of them, and they will be around or they will be used for quite a number of years. So once again, thank you very much on behalf of HM and the Agricultural Science Department as well as the students of Tutorial High School for your donation. So thank you.
So on behalf of EdYou FM, I'd like to say thank you to Miss for accepting our offer and to speaking with us about the needs that you have. What you're doing is commendable, and this was just an act of kindness from the staff. And it really addresses three things. One, it addresses the need for us as a country to have agriculture as a sustainability plan for ourselves. It speaks to letting the children leave with a skill. And the minister and the ministry is pushing a strong sense of volunteerism. And so this entire act commemorates and represents that. And we're leading by example. And we want to promise you that we'll get some more stuff for you as more of these activities come up. And we thank you very much.
Thank you, appreciate it.
EdYou FM remains committed to giving back to communities. The radio station has recently embarked on an annual Christmas toy drive activity benefiting students from various regions. This is just one of a number of activities that EdYou FM has planned for the future.